5 websites where you can make passive income just by sharing your internet. Aren't we all looking for an additional source of passive income? The internet has been an avenue to many things for the longest time. Now, it is a place for people to find creative ways to make extra cash. In this video, I'll show you ways to earn money just by having an internet connection. Hi there, welcome to MakeWired. In this channel, I'll show you the best tips and tricks in the financial spaces, business and entrepreneurship. MakeWired is created to help as many people as possible make money online from the comfort of their homes. Just sit back, relax, and learn how to make money work for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on my latest videos. Did you know you can make money online by selling your internet bandwidth? Yeah, sounds cool, right? Aren't you curious to find out more? Maybe you can pick up a thing or two and earn passive income by selling your internet bandwidth. In this video, I'll show you websites that do exactly that. I want to do a video today explaining how to generate passive income by simply leaving your computer running when you're doing something else and when you're not using your computer. I'll share with you 5 websites that will help you make money just by selling unused internet bandwidth. You can earn more than $100 if you have a fiber internet connection with 500 MB or 1000 MB speed. Therefore, you will make more money if your speed is faster than when your connection is slower. So let's get to the apps right now. Number 1. Cashravenio. We have here our first website, Cashravenio. By renting out your internet connection, you can make passive revenue. It can be connected to as many smartphones or PCs as you like. So if you want to make money, download it. Start generating income for it. Number 2. Honeygain.com. So, let's go on to the second platform. Most, if not all of you, are familiar with this website. This is called Honeygain.com. It also involves sharing your internet connection. The minimum payout is $20. It should work well for someone with 500 or 1000 MB of storage. Number 3. CraftMoneyTizer.com. Let's go on to website number 3. The name of it is CraftMoneyTizer.com. This is a website where you may earn money online by sharing your internet connection. Using your Google account or email to log in is an option, and speed is the point. The faster you go, the more you can share and the more money you make. Number 4. Spider.com. Let's go on to the fourth one now. Okay, this one is called Spider.com. This one is available worldwide, so you can definitely use this wherever you are. You can simply use this app to make passive income without doing anything. Install the app, then set up the application on your desktop Windows machine. All you need to do is keep your computer running when it's connected to the internet. Number 5. EarnApp.com. Finally, we have EarnApp.com. What then does EarnApp offer? You will share your internet access with others and then charge them for it. You can make roughly $50 each month just doing this. There we go. 5 apps to help you make money by having an internet connection. I hope it could be helpful. What do you think? Will you give it a try? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends so they can also make money online. See you later!